as I'm recording, we are pulling up to Ken's spot. I'm on the phone, so I can't use my phone to finish the recording. But my mic is not hooked up, so disregard the audio. Yeah, we're just waiting outside to get in. It's gated community, living good. We got this hooligan behind me. I don't know if you can see him.
Yeah.
No.
Get out the window.
Look at this.
Yeah,
Look
let
at
me
this
get out the window.
Clown. God. Yeah. Oh, he's running. He's running. Yeah, we've made it to Ken's place.
Finally, right?
Yeah, finally. We were making moves. Were we, how fast were we going, Ben?
Legal speed limit.
Yeah,
Sure.
He was looking at the kilometers, so you couldn't tell you in miles per hour.
We have Ken's G80. Looks sick as always.
Dirty actually today, so this is the first time we actually seen it.
Dirty.
Did you see this browning on the rear of the tires?
Man, you're trying to copy us with this limited edition wheels. We got Ben and I got these limited edition bronze wheels going on over here.
I see that.
Sheesh. Today we are doing a wash and talk at Ken's place. We're gonna have my car here, it seems like. So, pretty good spot. Big garage. I got Ben over there. We're trying to figure out where to put all the cars right now. But the dirty M4. So Ken's got this new active pressure washer. I actually want to get one of these. Pretty nice. It's small. It's my hand. We're gonna let him get that set up, and then we're gonna start rinsing down the whip. And afterwards, we're probably gonna do Ben's and then Ken's. And I'm sure you guys all follow the Daily Driven, so be sure to go on his channel and watch the wash and talk that we are doing. Oh no. Making Ken do work right now.
Oh, I know.
Ben's over here oh.
Sorry.
Ben's getting some B-roll, of course. Zoom in on his face. Look at the concentration. Look at the oh my god. All right, man. We're gonna start calling you Obsessed Garage. Talk about some dialed in.
You gotta be 100% focused.
Yep, that's why I didn't bring it. There's a lot of work. Look at Ben. The concentration.
Don't make me laugh, man.
Ken's unraveling our hose we're about to use. Man, look at him.
So today we're going to be using the Active 2.0. It's one of the best economical pressure washers you could use when dialing your car. You don't have to break the bank with this. This is under $500. And what's so good about it? It's going to last twice as long as your conventional ones you get from like Home Depot. So Active kept in mind that when we wash the cars, we want to get like a longer hose sometimes. This can compensate for that. Other hoses, other pressure washers might start surging. You're not going to have that issue with this. So I'm going to let John use it today, and he'll tell you how it feels and how it works. Right there.
Yeah, and I'm cheap, so I got a $100 pressure washer at home that you see me use, that Ben also uses all the time. It works though, it works. But we'll see if we want to upgrade to this Active 2.0.
Inviting us here to his brand
be
new
Casa.
house. To his brand new house, his Casa, like he said.
So we got the rear and the front of this side, the initial dirt off.
What I will say, John, is that all that dirt rushed right out.
Yep. We still got some remnants right there. I am dirtying up his floor.
That's fine. That's fine. And we're going to showcase one of the best ways to wash a car in the garage while being safe. Because we're away from the walls. We're still in the center right here. And what's so good about having the doors open? It's going to help you get rid of the water out of the garage, so you're not going to have that mess. But we're going to have fun. We're away from the sun, away from the shade, and we're definitely away from the walls.
What you doing, man?
I'm waiting my turn.
So we have cleaned the wheels. We're rinsing the car off, and he is
It might be
now
kind of
filling
loud.
Yeah, pressure washer's a little loud. It's fine. But we got most of the dirt off the car. We're gonna foam it up. You see the cage, but we're gonna foam it up. We're probably gonna use a single bucket method. I have PPF, so it's not that big of a deal, but y'all are probably gonna roast me in the video about it, but we are going to do all that, and we'll come back to you.
I'll make sure I'll send that video to your boss.
Yeah, Ben is wiping down the car. We're still talking on the Daily Driven's podcast going on. Washcast. If you're watching his video and then you came to my channel and you notice that some of my headlights are fogging here and here.
Because his warranty is voided.
Yeah, that too. It's because my warranty is voided, not really. But it is common for them to fog a little bit. There's actually a thing in ISTA that says condensation is normal as long as it dissipates when your headlights turn on in very humid climates. So we're in Florida, we're in South Florida, so it's more humid down here than in Orlando, so I normally don't get some condensation in there. But over here, where the Daily Driven lives, it is very, very humid.
Oh, it's...
And yeah,
really?
It's awful, awful. Ben's about to get started on his. He's doing some B-roll. His car is nowhere near as dirty as mine was. So
it's pretty dirty, man. You can see a lot on the white car.
Ah, that's true.
Thank you, Ken, for defending me.
It's okay. Your wheels are nowhere near as dirty, so I don't want to hear it. But if you guys haven't seen, he's got his new brakes on. And they looked good.
Dirty.
They are dirty. They are very dirty. Told you, get some different pads, boy.
2, 3. Sorry, guys. So in this video, we're gonna fucking destroy Ben's car. Ben, fuck him, he fucked up my car. Couldn't sleep, motherfucker.
I'm gonna head out, guys.
This is gonna be bloopers.
Yeah. Alright, so I think
I'm back to being a slave.
Hey, John, you did a good job last time recording Alligator window tint when we did the window tint on my car. You want to do that again? John did a good job. This is why you don't do a good job, so you don't get dragged into doing stuff. No, I'm just kidding. I don't mind. So yeah, we're doing this for Ken and Ben and his car with. It's dirty.
And look at this falling off. No, I'm just,
We just passed Veterans Day, so hats off to Ben and his service.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for all your support.
Show him the tats. No, never mind. Later.
He's gangland right now.
Oh, man.
My street name is the GOAT. Ken, so as you're driving the vehicle, I think a question that me and Wang both want to ask you is, if you were to start YouTube right now, today, would you still have done it the same way you've been doing it?
Like since the beginning of the first video?
Since the beginning of the first video. Like if you were to start YouTube brand new today, first video.
And I had no idea what I was doing.
And you had no idea what you were doing.
Yeah, it got me to where I'm at. You know, I'm nothing crazy. I'm like 8,500 subscribers plus.
Yeah, nothing too crazy.
No, I appreciate everybody that's subscribed, but you have to press record to start to get where you want to be. And my long-term goal is to be able to eventually, you know, be somebody that to make these videos and hopefully do this full time.
So I would. Well, anyways, I would like to thank Ken for inviting us over, letting us try the Active 2.0. I don't know what Ben's doing. He's being very confusing.
Wow.
And yeah, appreciate it.
I will say though, if you guys are looking for an Active 2.0, there's a link that I'm gonna give him to give you guys. There's a description. You can use a discount code. It'll be like what 10% off. But again, we had a good time. We used a lot of water today. Damn, this iPhone's pretty good.
If you guys, right, if we get 10 comments, right, for Ken to buy an iPhone, he'll buy an iPhone. Just 10 comments.
No, 100 likes.
That's all we need.
100 likes.
No. 10 comments. 10 comments. No, that's all we need.
Android for life. So, but I will say though, it was good to wash their dirty wheels, and it took a long time. But we're gonna capture some more content later today, I guess.
Stay tuned.